Yes. Can you throw it on the pillow? Throw it on the pillow. No, Anders, just throw it on the pillow. Drop it on the pillow because that makes him laugh the most. No, Anders, that's too wild. Okay, just drop it on the pillow because it makes him laugh so hard.